Looking for the perfect robot pool cleaner in 2025? We've tested and reviewed the top 3 best robotic pool cleaners to help you keep your pool crystal clear with zero hassle. Whether you're after performance, smart features, or budget-friendly options, this video covers it all. Stay tuned for expert insights, pros and cons, and which model is right for you this summer. Let's dive in and upgrade your pool cleaning game. Number 3. The Zyre 2025 Robotic Pool Vacuum brings high-end pool cleaning into the modern age with power, precision, and simplicity. Designed for in-ground pools up to 2,100 square feet, this cordless cleaner combines a 7,800 milliamp hours battery, 180W brushless motor, and 300 micrometers filtration system to deliver exceptional cleaning performance for up to 180 minutes on a single charge. Its intelligent, in-shaped navigation system, powered by over 20 sensors, ensures systematic and efficient coverage of the pool floor, walls, and even the waterline. It may not handle steps, but it excels on surfaces like tile, PVC, mosaic, and glass, thanks to its rugged 4-wheel drive system. What sets this unit apart is its multiple cleaning modes, which let you target just the floor, walls, or entire pool, depending on your needs, ideal for both luxury residential pools and busy vacation rentals. Real-world users love the ease of use. With just one button, the vacuum gets to work immediately, and there's no cord to fuss with. Charging is simple, and even without a dock station, it's a breeze to manage. While no robot can fully replace manual scrubbing, this one comes close, with 95% plus cleaning coverage and a quiet, efficient design. Number 2. The Ryu SAT30 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is an outstanding choice for both in-ground and above-ground pool owners looking for a powerful, intelligent, and hands-free cleaning solution. With a 180W brushless motor and a massive 45,000 pascal suction, this robotic vacuum offers impressive debris pickup from fine sand and silt to leaves and larger particles. Its sonar navigation system intelligently maps your pool, optimizing the cleaning path to reduce overlap and ensure no area is missed. Designed to cover up to 2,150 square feet, it adapts to various pool shapes, round, kidney, rectangular, and surfaces including vinyl, tile, fiberglass, and concrete. The unit performs well across floors, walls, and water lines, and even navigates uneven areas like steps and drains. Users appreciate the one-touch start, just charge, drop it in, and let it go to work. It delivers up to 3 hours of runtime, climbs walls effortlessly, and automatically docks after finishing. With 3 cleaning modes, floor, wall, and all cover, you get a customizable clean tailored to your pool's needs. While a pole for retrieval isn't included, the provided hook helps with easy removal. Overall, the SAT30 offers premium-level cleaning with minimal effort. Number 1. The Wybot C1 Robotic Pool Cleaner is a powerful and smart solution for in-ground pool owners looking for efficient, hands-off cleaning. This 4-in-1 cordless robot tackles floors, walls, water lines, and even stairs with ease, thanks to its triple motor system and enhanced climbing ability on 45-degree slopes. Whether your pool is tile, mosaic, or glass, the dual PVC brushes and strong suction remove debris, leaves, and algae thoroughly. With smart navigation 3.0 and app control, users can customize cleaning paths or activate auto mode. The S path for floors and N path for walls ensure full coverage, while built-in sensors help avoid getting stuck on drains or corners. While the app is occasionally finicky when sending commands, once connected, the robot runs a smooth and effective cycle. The cordless design is a major plus, avoiding tangles and allowing you to run a skimmer simultaneously. Setup is simple. Just power it on, drop it in, and let it work. After a 120 to 150-minute runtime, the cleaner parks itself for easy retrieval. The top-load filter basket is quick to empty and rinse. Given its solid cleaning performance, ease of use, and reasonable price, the Wybot C1 offers great value. Ideal for pools up to 1,614 square ft, It's a worthy investment for clean, hassle-free pool maintenance. Thanks for watching our review of the top 3 best robot pool cleaners in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart home and pool tech reviews. Got a favorite pool cleaner or questions? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay cool, stay clean, and we'll see you in the next video.